Imagine spending hours on a crooked cabinet door, cursing every wobbly hinge while your client's staring down your throat. What if one simple jig fixed that nightmare in minutes flat? TechVerse just uncovered 20 must-have woodworking tools on Amazon for 2026 that pros are quietly stocking up on. Ruitool Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. Picture this. You're deep into a kitchen remodel, doors hanging crooked, hinges misaligned, and the client's pacing as deadlines slip. Then you clamp this jig onto the cabinet frame. Its adjustable arms grab both doors simultaneously. Heavy-duty screws pull everything perfectly level, while built-in guides position hinges dead on. No measuring tapes, no shims, just flawless alignment in under 5 minutes per door. Amazon delivers it for $29.99 with over 5,000 reviews, praising its durability across frameless and face frame setups. Thousands of installers swear by it for daily jobs. This jig turns cabinet nightmares into routine wins, saving hours you can bill elsewhere. Blue Spruce Deluxe Mortising Gauge. You're crafting a mission-style table, but your mortises keep wandering, ruining tenons that took hours to cut by hand. Enter this gauge with twin-hardened steel cutters that score both walls simultaneously, while the micro-adjust wheel dials in exact depth to a hair's breadth. Brass construction glides smoothly over any wood grain without chatter marks. Woodworkers tackling furniture restoration or timber framing grab it from Amazon for $89.99, where its lifetime durability earns consistent 4.8-star praise across thousands of uses. Precision like this eliminates redo work and elevates your joinery to heirloom standards every single time. SawStop Compact Table Saw. You're ripping quarter-sawn oak through your job site saw when disaster strikes. Your hand brushes the blade, and suddenly you're out of work for months. This compact SawStop changes everything with its patented safety system that stops the blade in 5 milliseconds upon skin contact, dropping injury risk to zero across millions of cuts. The 1.5 HP motor handles 3-inch hardwood rips, while the precision fence locks to 164-inch accuracy. Contractors pull it from Amazon for $999, where its portable design and proven track record earn 4.7 stars from thousands. Safety this reliably lets you focus on perfect cuts instead of hospital visits. Guidepro Bandsaw Guide. You're resawing wide walnut slabs for a live edge table, but the blade wanders left then right, turning premium lumber into kerf waste while your deadline looms. Clamp on this ceramic guide system. Dual rollers maintain perfect blade tension as precision-aligned blocks eliminate drift entirely. Installation takes 5 minutes on any bandsaw, supporting blades from 1/8 to 1 inch wide. Woodworkers source it from Amazon for $49.99, where thousands of reviews celebrate doubled resaw accuracy across species from pine to exotic hardwoods. This upgrade transforms frustrating scrap piles into flawless, book-match panels every pass. Jet Oscillating Spindle Sander. You're shaping cabriole table legs for a high-end dining set, but hand sanding leaves flat spots and uneven curves, while belt sanders tear out delicate grain fibers. This jet model oscillates and rotates simultaneously across 6 spindle sizes, delivering mirror-smooth contours on everything from chair rockers to drawer fronts. The 1 HP motor powers through hardwood steadily as the heavy cast iron table provides rock-solid support. Cabinet shops order it from Amazon for $500, where professionals rate its dust collection compatibility and vibration-free performance at 4.6 stars over thousands of reviews. Flawless curves like these define heirloom furniture that lasts generations. Goingmake Track Saw Parallel Guide. You're breaking down full plywood sheets for a built-in bookcase, but each rip drifts slightly off parallel, wasting material and forcing endless adjustments on the table saw. Attach these flip-stop guides to your track saw's rail. They lock in repeatable cuts to 1 millimeter accuracy across widths up to 50 inches. The T-Track system adjusts without tools, while color-coded arms prevent mix-ups between left and right settings. Sheet goods fabricators grab it from Amazon for $79.99, where thousands confirm its aluminum durability across daily production runs. Parallel perfection like this turns sheet chaos into efficient workflow every single layout. Cocowin Tall Stair Gauges. You're laying out stair stringers for a custom deck, But your speed square keeps slipping down the 2x12 as you mark rise and run angles, forcing constant repositioning and double-checking every tread. Slide these heavy-duty aluminum gauges onto the board's edge. They grip securely with thumb screws while holding your square perfectly steady at any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Use pairs for compound roof rafters or scribing perfect stair layouts. Framing crews order them from Amazon for $19.99, where thousands praise their non-slip hold across pressure-treated lumber and hardwoods. Layout speed like this prevents costly cutting errors on every major project. JessEm Precision Squares. You're assembling a workbench where every joint demands dead square corners, but your steel square has mysteriously gone out of square after years of shop abuse, throwing off critical assemblies by a hair that compounds across the entire build. These JessEm squares come calibrated to 0.001-inch tolerance with a lifetime accuracy guarantee. Thick aluminum blades paired with heavy-duty handles resist racking, while laser-etched markings stay crisp through decades. Machinists and cabinet makers select them from Amazon for $59.99, where thousands verify their unwavering trueness across daily inspections. Squares this reliable become your shop's unbreakable foundation for perfect geometry, every measurement. Epoxies Crackzilla Filler. You're rescuing a live-edge slab table with gaping knots and hairline cracks that threaten to ruin the entire top after weeks of flattening. But traditional fillers crack out or won't take stain while putty sits proud above the surface. Mix this two-part epoxy. It flows deep into voids before hardening to a wood-like density that sands perfectly flush and accepts any finish without telegraphing. Pros blend multiple wood tones for invisible repairs on everything from butcher blocks to river tables. Woodworkers source it from Amazon for $24.99. Where thousands confirm its unmatched adhesion across species and climates. Seamless repairs like these salvage premium material and deliver flawless tabletops every restoration. Infinity Cutting Tools, Coping Sled. You're coping with crown molding for a client's formal dining room, but the table saw keeps grabbing workpieces while risky freehand cuts threaten fingers and perfect reveals on expensive trim. Drop this sled onto your saw. Its 45-degree pivot adjusts precisely as dual hold-down clamps secure moldings firmly against the fence, eliminating kickback entirely, while the zero-clearance insert supports delicate profiles perfectly. Trim carpenters pull it from Amazon for $69.90, where thousands document flawless joints across baseboards, chair rails, and complex crowns without waste or injury. Safety and precision like this turns risky trim work into repeatable professional results every profile. Kreg Shelf-Pin Jig. You're building custom bookshelves for a home library, but drilling shelf pin holes by hand leaves uneven spacing that forces awkward shelf adjustments or visible gaps, mocking your craftsmanship to the client. Clamp this self-centering jig anywhere on the shelf side. Interchangeable bushings drill precise 1/4-inch or filet-de-mille holes on 32mm centers, while adjustable stops ensure identical spacing across every board. The indexing pin transfers perfect alignment between sides without measuring. Cabinet makers order it from Amazon for $39.99, where thousands verify its accuracy across plywood, hardwoods, and production runs. Consistent spacing like this creates professional shelving that adjusts smoothly for decades. ViewReal Bench Dog Clamp. You're hand-planing a door panel flat against your workbench, but the wood shifts constantly under pressure, ruining your reference face and forcing endless repositioning that kills momentum on tight deadlines. Drop this cam action clamp into any 3/4-inch dog hole. It grabs workpieces instantly with knurled aluminum jaws that bite securely without marring surfaces, while the ergonomic handle delivers vice-like holding power across the entire bench surface. Hand tool enthusiasts grab it from Amazon for $14.99, where thousands confirm its reliability across planing, carving, and assembly tasks. Instant work holding like this transforms scattered bench chaos into lockdown precision for every flattening pass. Pony Hand Clamp 6. Your edge gluing panels for a dining table top late into the evening, but bar clamps take forever to position while your hands cramp from holding boards, flush against inevitable spring back that leaves gaps mocking your careful prep work. Swing open this 6-inch hand clamp's quick-release jaw. The swivel pad distributes even pressure across joints as the ergonomic handle ratchets down precisely without slipping, perfect for small assemblies or holding parts during dry fits. Furniture makers select it from Amazon for $9.99, where thousands appreciate its lightweight durability across countless glue-ups. Speed and control like this multiply your clamping capacity without breaking the bank or your workflow. FIRElood Wood Burning Kit. You're personalizing a cutting board gift for a friend's housewarming, but marker labels fade instantly, while freehand carving lacks the precision to create lasting, elegant script that withstands kitchen use and washing. Unpack this kit's 10 specialized brass tips. They heat instantly to variable temperatures as the ergonomic pen delivers steady control for flowing letters, intricate borders, or wildlife scenes across any wood species from maple to walnut. The stable stand prevents burns while solid construction endures daily shop sessions. Crafters order it from Amazon for $29.99, where thousands document heirloom quality results across gifts and signage. Detailed personalization like this transforms basic stock into cherished one-of-a-kind heirlooms every burn. ARBORTECH Ball Gouge Mini. You're hollowing out a spoon bowl from green cherry by hand, but chisels bind constantly in tight curves while the grain fights every stroke, turning hours of work into fatigue and uneven walls that crack during drying. Mount this 1-inch ball gouge into your angle grinder. It spins at 10,000 RPM to shear away material cleanly as the rounded carbide head navigates concave surfaces effortlessly, leaving smooth interiors ready for final sanding in minutes instead of hours. Spoon carvers source it from Amazon for $79.90, where thousands confirm its control across bowl depths from shallow serving spoons to deep ladles. Power carving like this unlocks complex shapes previously resigned to waste wood. eTape digital tape measure. You're laying out a complicated staircase stringer on a renovation site, but the analog tape kinks constantly while fractions blur under dirty gloves, forcing repeated pulls that waste precious daylight as the framing crew waits. Extend this retractable digital tape. Its backlit LCD displays measurements instantly in fractions, decimals or metric, while the heavy-duty rubber case survives, drops onto concrete. Bluetooth syncs lengths directly to your phone app, eliminating transcription errors across complex rafter layouts or cabinet runs. Contractors grab it from Amazon for $34.99, where thousands verify its reliability through rain, dust, and daily abuse. Digital accuracy like this eliminates measuring mistakes that cascade into expensive recuts. Achribex Tapered Drill Bit Set. You're hanging heavy cabinets on a kitchen wall where every screw must seat perfectly flush, but separate pilot holes wander while countersinks leave ragged edges that split face frames under load, forcing visible fills that disappoint picky homeowners. Thread this tapered bit through sizes Merger 6 to Napoleon 14. It drills self-centering pilot, countersink, and clearance holes in one smooth plunge as the step design matches every screw gauge precisely without blowout. Finished carpenters source the set from Amazon for $22.99, where thousands confirm clean results across plywood, hardwoods, and production installs. Perfect fastener prep like this delivers flush professional results without rework on every mounting job. Kreg KHI-Slide Drawer Jig. You're installing full extension drawer slides in a custom kitchen island, but misalignment leaves drawers binding halfway out while customers complain of uneven gaps that expose sloppy workmanship months after handover. Clamp this jig to the drawer box. Built-in levels ensure parallel alignment as precision spacers. Position slides exactly 22 millimeters from the bottom across any width from 10 to 22 inches. The indexing pins transfer settings flawlessly between left and right sides without measuring tapes or guesswork. Cabinet installers select it from Amazon for $49.99, where thousands document smooth drawer action across heavy-use kitchens and workshops. Perfect slide installation like this prevents callbacks and delivers silent professional function to every drawer. Auniwaig wood carving drill bits. You're detailing the relief pattern on a mantel clock face where fine flourishes demand precision beyond hand chisels. But rotary tools bog down in dense grain, while dull bits tear fibers instead of slicing cleanly. leaving fuzzy surfaces that reject stain and obscure your intricate design hours. Load these 1/8-inch shank bits into any rotary tool. 20 specialized profiles from V-grooves to ball noses carve crisp details across soft woods and hardwoods as the carbide construction maintains sharpness through extended sessions without chatter or burning. Relief carvers grab the set from Amazon for $19.99, where thousands confirm professional texture across decorative panels and sculptures. Fine detailing like this elevates basic stock into gallery-worthy art without endless hand refinement. Kreg Quick Flip Clamping Squares. You're gluing up a small cabinet carcass, trying to keep 4 corners square while glue drips. Clamps slip, and the whole box twists out of alignment before you can lock it down. Drop these L-shaped squares on the inside or outside corners, and their dual-face design lets you flip from internal to external clamping without rebuilding your entire setup. Integrated holes accept standard clamps to pull joints tight at a true 90 degrees on boxes, drawers, and frames. Woodworkers buy them on Amazon for around mid-range pricing, using them across plywood and solid stock projects. Reliable corner control like this turns stressful glue-ups into calm, repeatable assemblies that actually dry square the first time. Now you've seen how each of these 20 woodworking tools can quietly fix real problems in your shop. Not just look good in a thumbnail. If even one of them sparked an idea for your next project or solved an issue you've been fighting for years, hit like so more builders can find this breakdown. Drop a comment telling me which tool you're adding to your Amazon cart first, or which one I should test next on TechVerse. And if you want more no-nonsense tool breakdowns, real-world shop scenarios, and Amazon finds that actually earn their place on your bench, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next deep dive.